This AI influencer doesn't exist, but she's pulling brand deals, growing followers, and her face never changes. Here's how you build one from scratch. Here's what this will do. Give you a character that looks identical in every photo. What it won't do, make you famous overnight. This is about consistency, not shortcuts. Let's build it. 4 steps. First, generate one perfect base image. Second, enhance it so it's not blurry. Third, create 30-40 variations. Fourth, train a custom model. By the end, you'll have a character you can drop into any scenario without the face changing. Step 1. Create the base image. For this, I'm using OpenArt because it lets me switch between multiple AI engines without jumping platforms. That matters a lot. Go to Model, hit Switch. You'll see a wall of options. Ignore most of them. Only 2 models consistently avoid that plastic AI look. First option, FluxDev. This is the best text-to-image model. But here's where most people fail. They type blonde woman on beach and wonder why it looks generic. You need surgical detail, but not complexity. Watch. 25-year-old woman, shoulder-length chestnut brown hair with natural waves, hazel eyes, light freckles across nose, wearing simple gold hoop earrings, soft natural makeup, neutral expression, diffused natural lighting, clean white background, shot on 50mm lens. Notice, I'm not saying tattoos or patterned dress or complex jewelry. Those confuse the AI. Keep features simple but hyper-specific. Aspect ratio, vertical. Hit create. There, no plastic skin, no dead eyes. This is your foundation. Second method. This one's for replicating real facial structures without copying anyone directly. Switch to Flux Context Max. It has this feature called Omni Reference. You upload 2 to 3 photos of different people, and it blends their features into someone completely new. I'm using 3 references here, different jawlines, eye shapes, and hair textures. The AI pulls from all of them and creates a unique face. Same prompt, totally different result. Both methods work. FluxDev is faster. Flux Context gives you more control over facial DNA. Pick one and move on. Step 2, upscale. This is the step 99% of people skip, and it destroys everything later. Look at this image up close. It's not sharp. If you use this as your reference, every future image will be soft and vague. Go to upscale, choose 2x plus face. This costs 1 credit. Do it every time. 10 seconds. Now compare. See the difference in the eyes? The hair strands? This is your reference image. It needs to be perfect. Step 3. This is where character consistency actually happens. You don't need 100 plus images of this person from different angles, lighting, and expressions. 4 good images are enough. Here's the trick. I'm going to rotate her to see a side profile. But watch what I add at the end. First, go to text to image in OpenArt. Click on Nano Banana Pro model. This is the most realistic model for our AI influencer. Add this prompt. Photorealistic studio lifestyle photo of the same character from the reference portrait. Medium shot, neutral beige background, soft natural daylight. She is wearing a white fitted tank top, light beige jacket loosely off the shoulders, and light blue jeans. As you can see, it looks clean and simple. Now we will do another prompt. Rotate her slightly to see a different angle. Maintain the exact face, expression, hair, outfit, and background. That last sentence is non-negotiable. Without it, the AI will drift. Her nose might get wider. Her eyes might change color. You'll lose consistency before you even start. Perfect. Same person, different angle. Even her earrings stayed identical. Do this for all 4 images. Don't forget to add the upscaling 2x plus face on each image to get that sharp look. The more variety you give the AI now, the more flexible your character will be later. I've tested this with over 100 images and multiple characters. The most important thing here is to choose the right model, which we did, and to keep the prompts creative so that the character can be placed in multiple different angles, positions, environments, all without changing anything around the character's face or body. Step 4. Train a custom model. This is where doing everything inside OpenArt saves you hours. Other platforms make you export images, upload them somewhere else, wait for training, then import results. Here, it's built in. Click Consistent Character. Upload your images. Make sure your sharpest, most detailed image is first. That's your anchor. Name your character. I'm calling mine Maya. Hit Create Character. This takes about 2 minutes. What's happening? The AI is learning Maya's facial structure, her proportions, her features. It's not just referencing images anymore, it's building a dedicated model that remembers her. Done. Now let's test it. Go to your character section, click Maya, hit create, then select prompt and reference. Let's try with this prompt. Maya sitting at an outdoor cafe in Paris, wearing a black turtleneck and sunglasses, holding a coffee cup. Soft afternoon light, shot on 35mm film. Look at that. Same face, completely different scenario. The lighting changed, the outfit changed, but her jawline and her nose, identical. We even got sunglasses on in this example, which is really cool. Now I can drop her anywhere. Art gallery, gym, farmer's market, rooftop at sunset. Every image, perfect consistency. One important thing to know, free tools can generate one-off images, but they can't train custom models. You'll spend hours reprompting, trying to match faces manually, and you'll still get inconsistency. If you're serious about this, you need a platform that handles training. That's the difference. Now let's recap. 4 steps. Generate one perfect base image using FluxDev or Flux Context. Upscale it so it's sharp. Create 4 really good variations with different angles and lighting. Train a custom model using those images. After that, you can generate infinite scenarios with perfect consistency. If you want to follow along with the exact setup I used here, I'll leave the link to OpenArt below. You can test it yourself, and if you want to see me create multiple characters and then animate them in under 5 minutes, that video's on screen now. See you there.